Welcome back to Animal Guys channel. Today we are going to do animal race again, and at this time we have a mammoth, a cow, leopard, bighorn bull, llama, elephant, giraffe, ostrich, camel, cheetah, white tiger, orang-utan, and lion. Okay guys, choose your favorite animal, and this is the track of the race today, and this is the finish line. Well, here we go.
Go!
And tiger in front of, but the camel. Oh, the camel in front of now. It's the first place camel. Is so fast. Camel in first place, and the bighorn bull in the second place. Come on, where's the wild cat? The big cat, lion, tiger. Oh, what happened with you? Camel is stopped, and the bighorn bull in the first place, but he stopped again. The camel, oh, they confused the way, and the lion come to the first place with the bull in the second place. But what happened? The bull in front of now, the lion in the second place, and the camel in the third. And oh, what happened with you, bull? The lion in the first place, but you have to jump here. Oh, good jump, lion. And then cheetah and the lion and white tiger, llama, bull, camel, and giraffe. They have to jump. It's the fight for first place. Cheetah and the lion. Cheetah in the first place, but whoa, he stopped, and the lion in the first place now. Come on, lion is so fast, but the cheetah is faster than lion. Whoa, cheetah in the first place now. Okay, it's so close to the finish line. Cheetah, and yeah, cheetah in the first place is the winner. And then in the second place is the lion, guys. And white tiger in the third place. Llama. And the llama in the fourth place. Leopard, come on, leopard, but the bull in the fifth place. Leopard in sixth place, and the giraffe in seventh place. Where's the other? Ostrich. Oh, why the ostrich so slow, but it's so fast? Where have you been? And the camel. Oh, what happened with you, camel? You in the first place at the first. And then orang-utan. Okay, where's the big animal? Mammoth. Oh, here they are. Mammoth and elephant. They are so slow, guys.
The next day.
Okay. Now after one day, they close to the finish line. Mammoth. Oh, mammoth faster than elephant. Come on. Can you run? Mammoth and elephant. Okay, mammoth and elephant. Okay, all animals have crossed the finish line, and here we are. We have the victory. Cheetah in the first place, and lion in second place, wild tiger in third place. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. If you would like to see other videos, you can click in the left side. If you would like to see all of my playlists, you can click the right place. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.